Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Review for you. Today we are watching a new unboxing video in which I have purchased a laser engraver from China AliExpress for my personal use. You can see here this is original packing, and today I have received my parcel. You can see this is complete paper cutter. Product is already in original box, so shipping will be I hope shipping will be safe. Now you can see with the help of scissor, I am going to unbox product here. A proper bubble wrap. You can see this is a laser engraving machine DAJA DL06 DL6. I'm sorry, DL6. So very tightly packed, and there is no such very well packing. You can see only there is a bubble wrap, a very thin layer of bubble wrap. Packing is, I am sorry to say that packing is not such a quality packing. You can see only this is a layer. Here you can see a layer of bubble wrap. So it is not enough. You can see product is from various sides. Box is seen to be damaged. Now here this is thermopole. You can see first of all here we have a user manual of machine. This is that. Here you can see thermopole packing of machine. First of all, you can see this is the uh, glasses to wide laser beam. This is solid metal casing holder, and also this is protection of laser against laser beam. This is DAJA laser engraver. You can see here. There you can see DAJA, and here you can see there is a power connection on off switch and USB connection to connect it with the laptop or computer. So first of all, I will check what are the accessories. This is a USB cable. Here we can see driver, USB driver. Here flash USB or its driver, and these are legs of DAJA. So I am going to close all other things which are not needed in jacking. Supply adapter, which we can see, or adapter of the it's 12 volts and 2 ampere rating. Here is a USB connection for PC, and this is the you can see here here, and these are the connections, legs of this machine. Machine is build quality is very good, and I want to tell you that it's only 3 watts engraver. So friends, you can see engraver machine DAJA. You can see here engraving machine. Now we are going to test it. Let me check by power on this machine with the power supply here. Now friends, you can see here I'm going to power on the machine. So machine has been powered on. Now I am going to install its driver. So we'll share this testing video separately. Thank you very much. I hope you will like my video. Kindly like my video channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.